there. So I just uploaded a few pictures to my timeline, but they don't fit perfectly within the frame. You know, the classic way of fixing this would be to right-click on the clip and choose Scale to Frame Size or Set to Frame Size. But guess what? If your aspect ratio isn't spot on, you're still stuck with those annoying black bars. It's such a pain to fiddle around with scaling and positioning, especially when you've got a bunch of photos to deal with. But worry not. I found a new and easier way to resize everything. Let's go ahead and undo the previous adjustments. So check this out. Instead of going through the hassle of manual resizing, we can use a cool feature called Auto Reframe. To find it, head over to the Effects panel and type Auto Reframe in the search box. Then just drag and drop the Auto Reframe effect onto the clip you want to resize. It magically resizes the clip to fit the frame perfectly without any extra work on our end. Oh, and the best part, if you need to resize multiple images at once, simply select all the images on the timeline that you want to resize and apply the Auto Reframe effect to any one of them. Boom! All of them get resized automatically. I must say, this little trick works like a charm and saves so much time and effort. All right, that's all for now. Thanks for tuning in, as always, and I'll catch you in the next video. Take care and see you soon.